If you do not subscribe, your dog will dance for me. On today's video, I want to show you how to lock your messages on WhatsApp. Yes, so easy, so simple, guys. All you have to do, you just have to make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. So before I start, I'd like to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video, you'll get it. Shout out. So guys, all as I said, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp, right? So I'm only just going to, let me just click here. Okay, I'm just going to click here, and after that you just click there, then you scroll right, you scroll, then you tap here, chat lock, right, then you switch it on, then you do it with your fingerprint, then it's locked, right? It's locked. So to see this, just go to the top. After you go to the top there, all you have to do, just have to scroll like this, right? Then after that you will see locked chat, right? So you tap there and you put your thumb there and here, then you will be able to see the messages that you locked. So easy, so simple, guys. This is how you lock your messages on WhatsApp. Peace.